Hello, YouTube. What's up? Welcome back to the channel once again. Oh my god, what is this? DaVinci Resolve. Quit. I don't use DaVinci Resolve. So, hello, YouTube. What's up? Welcome back to the channel. And today I am going to do a typing test. Okay. So, a typing test is basically this like average typing. Like, I will test my typing speed. Like, I have done it like, don't ask me, but I have done it many times, but it's like always below average. My best is 37, but average typing speed of a human being is 40. No, 38. Yeah, 38 to 40. So the goal right here is to get like 38, no matter how much it takes, no matter it might be a 2 minute long video, but it had been already 1 minute, so it obviously going to be more than 2 minutes. But the thing is that you have to make like yeah, I have to make like I have to be like 38 words per minute. That's the goal. 30. Okay, it might be 30 minutes long video, but I think it will not. If it will be 30-minute long video, I will not upload it. Yeah, that's the point. So okay, let's do it. God please. Okay. COPSA. Oh my god. NUTSROFTENUTSOCIATETTSESCSOTSCR. Other. Oh my god. This is hard. This is cops work. Mm. And it's 32, which is bad. And by the way, I usually don't speak on intense moment, like I was not speaking in there because it's like hard for me to concentrate and speak up. Yeah, I can at least do the speaking the word that is there, like. Okay, let's take the test. When we hear outlaw, we think of criminals. Okay, dog, you shut up. When we HEAR here, bro, outlaw, we think of criminals, but the LAWs are not any kind of criminal as yes, I the outside of the. Oh my god. Oh, it's better. It's better than this. I mean, it's better than all of this. Than this. Not than this. Retake until I get good marks. It's like test for my own. Like I have English proficiency test coming so soon, which I have to do. So I have to be fast. But by the way, I'm not practicing for like English proficiency test, but I'm like practicing for like this idioting thing. Water intoxication happen when T TERINTOXICATIONSAPPENS. Oh my god, I missed the water. drink. 2 muchs waterng getting astra. Yes, minerals, not this one. Yes, MEAN, yes, you can also. Yes, see poisoning, yes, I see it, so it's can outside. ETVISION and USCLE. Oh my god, oh my god. It's better, it's better, it's going better by the way, it's going better by the way, but still. Okay, in 1883, the immortal jellyfish was discovered. In 1883, in 1883, okay, not the IMMORTALJELLYFISH was the ISCOVERE discovered. It is the only living thing we know that VERDIES dies, never dies. Whenever they are RMINJURED injured, they just revert to a G stage and EGROOW. Regrow. Oh my god. No, I missed the letter. Oh, it's 33. Anyway, I thought it was like 37 and I missed the letter and it will be like. You know what I meant to say, right? I. And by the way, the crickets, the thing that's small, I don't know, that shouts at night are like barking. Not barking, but making noise. It's night basically. Yeah. So you know what I meant to say, right? I'm like talking a lot because I'm like getting mad a lot, and I'm like flowing my frustration in my mouth. Yeah, in my words. Even though Mall of Africa is located in, I think this is easy. I think this is easy, and my charge is also low, which is also a problem. And my MacBook is getting so much hot. Okay, even though the Mall of America is. Oh my God! What happened? UNTHOUG is the Mall of AMEIC America is located in Minnesota. Where is W? Can get PRETTYCOLD cold why they any buddy eating the LGENERATE body. This is so much bad. This is so much worse. Okay, it's not so much worse, but 35 is not good. Although I see movie trailer before. I have to be focused. I have to be dedicated. How long has the video been? It's been 9 minutes. I have to be focused. I have to be dedicated. Almighty. Puss. Let's warm up my hand. Although we see movie trailers before. Yes, OUT, yes. Although we see movie IETRAILERSD TACTUALMOV. So we this has not always been the case. before the late 1930s. No, it's comma. Etraile the oh, why? What? Did it like just go from many seconds to like zero? I don't know why. Why, bro? Why? In 1959. In 1959, I like Pepsi because my father sells Coke. Haha. So that's why I never drink Pepsi. I don't like the taste also. Have Coke, that's better. Have Coke rather than Pepsi, okay, guys? And other products also, like Mirinda or stuff like that. Who drinks Mirinda? Oh my god, how much? How much? Oh, it's like going down from here. Down, down. Buddy, what's the problem with me? What's wrong with me? There is a single plant species that wide variety of vegetable come from. Okay, I know this is it. I know this is it. Why? Let me confirm first. There is one full stop first and comma comma. Okay, I always get wrong with full stops and comma. Okay, there is a single plant species species that a wide variety of ETABLES comes from. Okay, full stop. 8PRODUCES LPRU yes yes ELSSPROUTS sprouts IFLO cauliflower CABBAG cabbage CO CCOLI broccoli. 9 seconds. That's are all of the. Oh my god, no. No, 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 no. No, no. When we hear out loud, we think of ESEAROUTLAW. It's like we of CRIMINALS criminals, but OUTLAW are not any kind of no, they are CSID outside of the PROTECTIO of the lawful stop. The semi-aliens that they can be said by any one full stop. Oh my god. Ha! I can't even swear because I don't want to edit this video. It's like 36. Oh my god. Oh my god. Despite being a bear, black bear are known to be tamed. What is tamed? Okay. SPIT despite BAINC BEA bear BLAC K black B A R S R K N O W N known to be T I M I don't know what is who is W you see one you might be able to SCARE them off by being not angular okay and CS ATENIN threatening oh my god SPOSSIBLE is possible do not try this do not try this on purpose. What do you mean by that? If we can scare like they if we can scare them like that, why don't we try that? What do you cougars are solitary cats, however they become more social during okay COU okay CO okay I mess up at the beginning. I don't want to even try this. It's like 5 second wastage. Please give me a oh no I don't like that either. Please give me like easy one, easy peasy. It's like normal but still and built in. Okay, this is like long words. I don't I like short words. Like please give me easy one please. I am like below average, so do not be fooled by the military gate. The level does not mean superior quality. Oh, do not be fooled by the military gate. Do not be FOLED fooled by the MILITARYGRADE level. This oh my god. BE level DOES. It's like COES. SUPERIOR superior quality. INSTA instead. MEANS DITEM is the bear MINIMUM QUIRE of and is CHEAP to make oh my god mail. Hell no bro, you get to suffer me like this. Did you know that domesticated pet rabbit can be no I don't want to type that domesticated. Did you know that a domesticated pet IBBIT rabbit can be ITTER trained just like a cat question mark okay while it ONCER longer to teach them it is completely DOABLE doable okay has a D EPE pet R A B B I T S P E I N C beings kills oh my god what the heck free am I there oh what oh I think that's a scam. I think that's a scam right there. I see the number going like from 5 to like 0. Is that me or you guys also? I will check the footage. I will check the footage. Bamboo is a very dead material. BAMBOO is a VERYZMATERIALS. It is one of the world's plants. The GROWABO UT. Yes, yes, buddy. INCHES day and VENFASTER in WAR yummy R temperature DESPI APESPE PLE 2 LEARN sign USINC 2. Okay, please. 28. What? I had 36 and like 28 them of oh my god. I'm I'm getting pissed off. Okay, Mr. Beast, please upload a video. I want to watch that. Water. Okay, I will not do cheating right now. Should I? Water intoxication happens when you drink too much water without getting extra minerals. Okay. WATERINTOXICATION APPEN. Yes. Okay, I get the word wrong. WHEN when UDRIN 2 MUCS WATERLITHOUGHTTINCEXTR. Yes, this and yes, you can also get DPOISIONI. I see it, so it can see you. Yes, I did. Buddy! You know what? You know what? You know what? You know what? This is over now. I don't want to do that more. More? What is that? More emotional damage. That was like emotional damage. I don't want to attempt it again, ever in my life, unless you like the video. Like not like, but comment that if you like the video or not. Okay, and if you want me to try this again or not, because I don't like this. Okay, so I hate this so much. See ya. Thank you so much for watching the video, by the way.